capture everything around with a 360-degree sphere of imagery, true 4K, shake-free shots, and capture the world in 3D. VR 180. You can change to the 3D mode with unique rotating design and seize the moment in more dimensions with a groundbreaking depth-based technology. Refocus. Background editor. QooCam supports the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth control with your smartphone and directly linked up with USB cable to watch, edit, share, and go live right away. Tap to direct. Smart track. Slow motion. QooCam is the unique 3-lenses camera that combines the most intriguing features of 360 and stereo filming technology to create the coolest video ever.
The Nikon KeyMission 360 is a shockproof, waterproof, spherical 360-degree action camera. It's an ideal companion for thrill seekers looking for a more immersive way of sharing their adventures. The KeyMission 360 is built around two 20-megapixel CMOS sensors located on either side of the body and is capable of 4K video capture and 24-megapixel stills. It can also record time-lapse movies. Standout features include electronic vibration reduction for added stability, removable lens shields, and a 1/4 inch threaded socket for easy mounting. The KeyMission 360 features Nikon's wireless SnapBridge system for real-time image viewing from a smartphone. The SnapBridge app can also be used to power up the camera, adjust settings, shoot remotely, and transfer photos and videos. The KeyMission 360 represents Nikon's entrance into a new and exciting segment of the action camera market. For more information about the Nikon KeyMission 360 and all things photographic, head to dpreview.com.
What if you never had to worry about getting the shot? What if you could always get the shot? Check out Rylo, the camera that lets you capture the world in 360 degrees. Rylo records video in every direction at once, so you can compose the perfect shot and focus on the subject you want after you finish recording. Capturing all 360 degrees lets us do some incredible things, like cinema quality stabilization, so your videos never feel handheld. With front back, you won't miss a moment. Your point of view and your reactions can be in the same frame. and adding dynamic movement is as easy as dropping points throughout your video. Rylo will handle the rest. But what if your subject is moving? Well, you can select it, and the Rylo app will track it in frame. Want to visit another world? Just pinch to see a new perspective with Rylo Tiny Planet. Stay in the moment, capture everything. Available now.